Imagine a world where humans breathe out oxygen. Instead of releasing carbon dioxide, we exhale the very gas that fuels life. What would this mean for our planet and for ourselves? It's a fascinating thought experiment that takes us deep into the heart of biology and the environment. In our current reality, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This process is essential for our survival, but it also contributes to the greenhouse effect and climate change. But what if we could reverse this process? What if we could become walking, talking oxygen generators? This idea may seem like science fiction, but it challenges us to think differently about our relationship with the environment. Could humans become a force for positive change, replenishing the very air we breathe? Let's delve into this intriguing scenario and explore the biological and environmental implications of humans releasing oxygen instead of carbon dioxide. For humans to release oxygen, we would need a fundamental biological overhaul. Our cells currently rely on a process called cellular respiration, where glucose and oxygen react to produce energy, releasing carbon dioxide as a byproduct. To become oxygen producers, we'd need to mimic plants. Plants utilize photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food and release oxygen as a byproduct. Imagine our bodies housing tiny, microscopic factories similar to chloroplasts in plants. These factories would capture sunlight through our skin, using it to power the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and energy. This biological shift would require significant genetic modifications, essentially rewriting the blueprint of human life. While it's beyond our current technological capabilities, the concept itself sparks curiosity and wonder about the potential of manipulating life at its core. Now let's imagine this biological transformation has occurred. Humans are now walking oxygen generators. What would this mean for our atmosphere? Currently, the Earth's atmosphere is composed of around 21% oxygen and a much smaller percentage of carbon dioxide. With billions of humans constantly releasing oxygen, this balance would begin to shift. The concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere would increase, potentially leading to higher oxygen levels. While oxygen is essential for life, an excessive amount can have its own set of consequences. Increased oxygen levels could lead to larger fires, as combustion would become easier and more intense. Additionally, some materials might oxidize or rust more rapidly. Section 4: Oxygen Oasis, Thriving Ecosystems. While an oxygen-rich atmosphere might pose some challenges, it would also usher in an era of flourishing ecosystems. Plants and animals thrive in oxygen-rich environments, and this boost in oxygen levels could lead to an explosion of life. Forests could become denser and more vibrant, with trees growing taller and stronger. Animal life would diversify, with new species potentially evolving to take advantage of the oxygen-rich environment. Imagine lush green landscapes teeming with a diversity of life. The air itself would feel cleaner and crisper, invigorating every breath. This oxygen-rich world could support a greater abundance and diversity of life than we see today. Section 5: Beyond the Surface, Implications for Climate Change. Perhaps the most significant impact of humans releasing oxygen would be on climate change. By removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and replacing it with oxygen, we could potentially reverse the greenhouse effect. This shift could lead to a cooling of the planet, mitigating the effects of global warming. Rising sea levels could stabilize, and extreme weather events might become less frequent. However, it's crucial to remember that Earth's climate is a complex system. While reducing carbon dioxide levels would be a significant step, other factors such as methane emissions and deforestation also play a role. Solving climate change requires a multifaceted approach. Section 6: Our Oxygen Legacy, a Future Filled with Breath. The idea of humans releasing oxygen instead of carbon dioxide is a thought-provoking concept that pushes the boundaries of our imagination. While it remains firmly in the realm of science fiction, it underscores the profound connection between ourselves and the environment. It highlights the importance of understanding the delicate balance of gases in our atmosphere and the impact our actions have on the planet. While we may not be able to transform ourselves into oxygen generators overnight, we can strive to live in a way that minimizes our carbon footprint and protects the precious resources that sustain us. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of life, let us remember that our future is inextricably linked to the health and well-being of our planet.